Chad, what are you doing?
I got a wheelbarrow full of parts. We need to do a video on our repaired for life stuff so we can get a little clarity for people on what's covered and all that stuff. So you want to, it won't go in. Can you come out and we can do it just outside?
All right.
Sorry, I don't mean to crash into stuff. Hey, let's go this way and then we can talk about it. So a lot of people have seen and commented on we started doing repairs for life. And there's a lot of questions and stuff that people have on what's covered, what's not covered, it's not true, whatever. So I just want to put some clarity to it.
You mean like brakes and batteries?
Yeah, we'll get to that.
Okay.
I don't have a battery, but I think I have brakes. So like this. It's a muffler. Well, that was part of an exhaust. But if it's over 200 bucks, this is covered.
Okay, brakes and batteries?
And this module. It's a Ford module. It's over 200 bucks. It's covered for life. You never have to fix again after you pay for it the first time. Ooh, this. Do you know what that is?
It's
You know, it's a tie rod off of a Super Duty.
and
Covered for life after you buy it the first time. Parts and labor, everything. How about these? Common.
they're commons?
No, they're lateral links in the back of a Ford Escape.
Covered?
After you buy it. Ooh, this.
Oh, a coffee maker.
No, I think it's a tea kettle. But actually, I think it's an oil cooler. But that's over 200 bucks. If it ever goes bad again, you have the car covered. Ooh, that module's covered. That's a water pump, it's covered. That's some sort of emissions valve, that's covered. Rotors.
Brakes.
And brakes.
And batteries?
And batteries. Yes, batteries are covered for life. You buy a battery, you keep the car. Doesn't matter if it's 1 year or 20 years down the road, it's covered. Oh, and guess what? You get a printed contract that states it too. So you're covered. But that's covered, that's covered. This is covered. That's a wheel bearing. Ooh, that's a popular item. Throttle body off of a Ford. Popular. Over 200 bucks. Covered. Ball joints covered. Axles covered. That's a window regulator motor. That's covered. That's a oil cooler. That's covered. Ooh, parking brake actuator. Electric parking brakes.
Covered?
Covered. Oil pan.
Covered?
Covered. That's covered.
Thingamabob.
That's another parking brake actuator. But it's all covered for the life.
So
No joke.
you come in, you buy the part,
You get the repair done,
get the repair done.
you pay us,
Yeah?
and then you get a contract.
Yeah?
And it's covered for life.
Forever.
Forever.
Forever and ever.
You got that, folks? Forever.
Got it.
Covered.
And you, Mandy.
Forever?
Forever, ever. And ever and ever and ever.
Covered.
Get it? Questions? Call. Oh, tires? No. Air filter? No. Fuel filter? No.
Windshield wipers?
No. Not over 200 bucks. If I charge you over 200 bucks for windshield wipers, holy smokes. But no, that's not covered.
Okay.
That's wear items, John. Come on.
So repaired for life.
Repaired for life on qualifying repairs. Over 200 bucks. Pretty simple.
Kightlinger Motors.
Kightlinger Motors.
Give us a call.
1-800-477-5277.
Chad, bam.
Oh, yeah. Bam.